Hello, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today's video walk round is the 2018 68 plate Ford Transit 350 L2 H3. It's got a lovely mobile workshop in this one, fully loaded. Come on, let's have a look around. So it's direct to us from a leasing company, this one. It's 71,000 miles, full service history. Mobile workshop in the back. You've got inverter, you've got a night heater, workbench, vice. There's 240 sockets, a microwave. Lovely mobile workshop, and as I say, we've got a choice of these in stock. It's going live onto our website now, guys. Finance, delivery and warranty available as always. If you'd like any more information, please feel free to speak to Chris or Nick. Thank you.